Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will going to tells us uh, to solve the singlet or triplet state of an atom. I have to tell that some tricks how we find the singlet or triplet state of an atom. In the last lecture, we have already discussed by using LS coupling how we will find the singlet or triplet state of an atom. Okay. Now the you have to given that first is the DD configuration. Okay, and by for this DD configuration you have to find the singlet or triplet state. Okay, now for this DD electron, L1 is equal to 2 and L2 is equal to 2, and therefore the value of L is from L1 minus L2 to L1 plus L2. Therefore the value of L is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the value of S1 is equal to plus 1 half and S2 is equal to minus 1 half. Therefore the value of S is equal to 0 and 1. Okay, this is the L value and this will be the S value. Now you have to find the singlet or triplet state. Therefore here your L value and this will be the S value. Okay, now the value of L is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the value of S is 0 and 1. Now you have to find the singlet or triplet state. Okay, now the value of L is you have to know that the value of S is equal to 0 will be singlet state. Okay, value of S is equal to 0 will be singlet state. S is equal to 1 half is the doublet state, and S is equal to 1, this will be the triplet state. Okay, this you have to remember this. Now S is equal to 0 here, therefore the state is singlet state. Okay, now S is 0 and the value of L is also 0, and L is represent your the value of L 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are represent the state. Okay, L is equal to 0 S state, L is equal to 1 represent the P state, L is equal to 2 represent the D, F and G and so on. Okay, this will be the very important, remember that things. Now L is equal to 0, this will be the S state. Okay, therefore the first singlet state is 1S and the value of J 0 plus 0 0. Second state is the 1P1, 1D2 and 1D. Then F3 and 1G4. This is your the singlet state. Now you have to calculate the triplet state. Okay, S is equal to 1, this will be the triplet state, therefore multiplicity is 3 and L is equal to 0. 3s 1 plus 0 is 1. First triplet state is 3s1. Then second is the 3p 1 plus 1 or 1 minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Third state is the 3d 1, 2, 3. Next state is the 3f 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next state is 3g 3, 4 and 5. This is your singlet and triplet state. Okay, this is the singlet state and this will be the triplet state. Okay, this is the tricks to find the singlet or triplet state of an atom. Okay, now you have to given the next example. The second example is that suppose you have to given the PP configuration and you will you have to give find the singlet or triplet state. Singlet or triplet state. Now for PP configuration, L1 is equal to 1, L2 is equal to 1, Therefore, the value of L is 0, 1 and 2. And the value of S1 is equal to 1 half and S2 is equal to 1 half. Therefore, the value of S is equal to 0 and 1. Now, you have to find the singlet or triplet state. Now, you have to find the singlet or triplet state of an atom. Here your S value and here your J value. The value of L is 0, 1 and 2 and the value of S is 0 and 1. Okay. Now the singlet state is, first singlet state L is 0. Okay. Therefore, the first state is 1s0, then 1p1 and 1d2. This is your singlet state. Now, the value of S is equal to 1. Therefore, the multiplicity is 3. Okay. Triplet state are 3s. The value of J is 1. Then 3p 0, 1 and 2 and 3d 1, 2 and 3. This is your triplet state. Okay. Now I have to given here the next problem. The third problem. Suppose you have to given that the PD configuration. Okay, two different atom, PD configuration, and you have to find the singlet or triplet state. Okay, now for this PD configuration, for this p electron L1 is equal to 1 and for this d electron L2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of L is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 and 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 2 and 3. And the value of S1 is equal to 1 half and S2 is equal to 1 half. Therefore, the value of S is 0 and 1. Okay. Here your L value and there is the S value. The value of L is 1, 2 and 3 and the value of S is 0 and 1. Okay. Now, you have to find the value of L is 1. Okay. Represent the value of L is equal to 1 represents the P state. Okay. Therefore, 1p, the first term is 1p1, then 1d2 and 1f3. Okay. Then your triplets, this is the singlet state and the value of L is 1 and S is 1. Therefore, the triplet state are 3p 0, 1 and 2, then 3d 1, 2 and 3 and 3f 2, 3 and 4. This is your triplet state. Okay. Hope you understand how we'll find the singlet or triplet state of an atom. Now you have to homework this. You have to find the singlet or triplet state for SP configuration, and second one is the FG configuration. SP, FG, then third one is the SD configuration, then fourth one is the DFG. Okay, these three you have to homework this and submit the assignment in an Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.